Welcome back. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new page called contact, the contact us page, which would just contain contact information. So I'm going to create a new file called contact.html, and the design is going to be very similar. We just need to display the contact information. So it's not gonna contain so many things. So we can just copy the code from the index as usual. This time I'm gonna copy the complete code and then I'm gonna paste it because I don't want to go back and forth so many times. And then I'm gonna delete what needs to be deleted. So I'm gonna start from the top and then I'm gonna go all the way down to the bottom. The navigation bar, we need the navigation bar. The home section, we don't need this home section. I'm gonna remove the home section. The brand, we don't need, of course, this brand section. The new, we don't need this new section. The featured, we don't need the featured, and we don't need the banner either. I'm gonna delete these two. The checkout and the watches, I'm gonna delete these two as well. And shoes, we need to delete shoes, and we need to keep the footer. So in between the navigation bar and the footer, we just need to create a section that would display the contact information. So I'm going to create a new section here called contact, and it's going to be contact. That's going to be a section. I'm going to say section. And I'm going to give it an ID, and also a class. So the class is, I'm going to give it the container, the bootstrap container class, as well as the my margin top bottom 5 and padding top bottom 5. And in this section I'm going to display the contact information. But before I display the contact information, I'm going to display the contact us word above the contact information. So I'm going to first create a div which is also going to have the container class as well as the text align center class, because I want to center the text center. And I'm going to give it margin top 5. And inside it, I'm going to display here the contact us word inside H3. I'm going to say contact us, and below this contact us, I'm going to display the HR separator, and I'm going to give it the class MX Auto. Below this HR, I'm gonna use the paragraph, and I'm gonna give this paragraph a class. That class would be W50, which is gonna display the content in half width, and I'm gonna give it margin right and left auto to center the paragraph. In the paragraph, I'm gonna display the contact information. So you can display whatever you want, the way you want your customers to contact you. So you can display, for example, a phone number. It could be a phone number, it could be an email, it could be anything you want. And you can display below it. I'm gonna just copy this, and in a new paragraph, I'm going to say email address. And then I'm going to display here text. I'm going to say whatever text you want to display. Let me save and let me head on over to the browser, and let me now head on over to the contact.html page. So in the contact page, as you can see now, it looks outstanding. We have the phone number, we have the email address, and we have this simple text. And it's preferably to display the phone number and the email in a different color, meaning that you can say here span and then move the phone number over to this span here, inside this span. Similarly with the span here, similarly with the email, I'm gonna move the email, or I'm gonna type the email one more time, and I'm gonna remove this email. And in order to change the color in the CSS, I'm gonna open up the CSS, and in the CSS I'm just gonna say here contact, and then we have the contact ID. I'm gonna say contact and then span. So the color, again the color, I'm gonna use the orange color because I want to keep the color. I just want to use the same brand color for all pages. We don't want to be inconsistent. So as you can see now, the contact information is being displayed in a different color, which is better. Also, the contact us this could be displayed in orange, but I think black is perfect. So this is the contact us page.